All right, move on to C. Let's see what we got here. Well, it looks like we have to install bromine right here, and then add the look like a stability group on here somehow. Okay. What do we do here? Well, up top here, that's an alkene. Let's say if we use Vedic reaction, you can make it. You can put these two together, react with this ketone. Okay. Well, this ketone can be installed with the Friedel-Crafts acylation, and which is the meta directing group also from bromine. Perfect, perfect right there. I add bromine right there, and this guy can be made from just the benzene with that acyl chloride. Okay. All right, not bad. Oh, let's go forward here. So add the an acyl group first. Okay, which is the meta directing group. Add bromine, go to meta right there, and the last step is doing using Vedic reagent right there. Put CS2 right there. Okay. Now to make on the exam, I would like you to make an elite. Okay. So if you want to use elite, please make it just like Grignard reagent. But Grignard reagent, no. I assume you know how to do it. But for elite, please make it, because some people actually try to make elite from tertiary alkyl halide, which is not. You cannot. So make sure on the exam show me how you synthesize your elite. Okay. All right. So in this elite, we just need one carbon. So we're gonna start with methyl bromide. All right. So triphenyl phosphate attack, bromine comes off, and then you depronate the proton with n-butyl lithium. That's an elite. That's how we make it. Okay. All right. So elite react with this ketone. You get the product there. Here we go. All right. Be careful. So the order of synthesis matters. If you do bromine first, bromine is ortho and para directing group. You're not gonna get meta isomers, so be careful. Okay. All right, last one. Let's see what we got here. Let's say, okay, we have an alkene right here. This might be Vedic reagent, Vedic reaction, maybe from there. Okay, you can make Vedic reaction there. And this one can be made from alcohol, or easy. This can be made from alcohol. You can reduce it. Oxidized alcohol, you get to this compound, right? And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons. Yep, 5 carbon right there. That's your starting material. All right. All right. So oxidize it with PCC. Do not use chromate. Otherwise, one of the alcohol will become carboxylic acid. Okay. All right. And add the elite. So the way you prep it, just like you saw earlier. Okay. Now, if you do elite right here, oh no. So I think you guys know that aldehyde is more reactive than ketone. If you add an elite right here, it will go to aldehyde. Okay. Well, we don't want it to go to aldehyde. We want the elite to react with the ketone. What do we do then? Protecting group. Good. We have the protecting group there. Look like that. All right. Add ethylene glycol and catalyzed by an acid, just a little sulfuric acid. You get this cyclic acetal, which is stable when in under elite condition. Add elite, react with elite. Have no option, no choice now. Just have to react with the ketone. Get that, and then cleave or deprotect the cyclic acetal. Here we go. You get the product there. Yay! Okay, so again, it's all about practicing. All right, it gets faster over time if you do it. All right, so two things. So summarize two things I want you guys to do. One, do as many synthesis problems as you could. It's gonna be slow. You probably have to look back to the textbook or your note or my note several times. It's okay, but it's faster over time you do it. If you see it often enough, it's quicker, right? It becomes quicker. And two, after you master all the synthesis, maybe like a week before the exam, or maybe a day or two, summarize all the reaction on a paper. Right? You can group them into category in any way that you want. I show them in the purpose of it. I want to do oxidation. I want to do reduction. I want to extend carbon chain. I want to remove carbon chain. Right? I group them into those. You can do on your own as well. Some people do differently. Right? Just create your own. It helps a lot. Okay. All right. We got one more video. So application of aldehyde and ketone. Just real quick. All right.